I don't know. Do y'all see any turtles in there today?
No. Oh, I did. No, I did something. I found something. Fish. I found baby fish.
Do you see baby fish or tadpoles?
Baby turtle.
Look, we got turtles. We got 2 turtles.
Oh.
Then we got 2 more turtles.
No,
Oh, look at the baby turtle. Oh. This is so cool. Look at all these turtles. Wow. 5 turtles. Y'all prepare for the changes that's about to occur. All right, go Jordan. Teaching Jordan how to throw the frisbee.
And watch this, make it.
Oh, snap. You okay, Chubby? King, go ahead. Go to the other side, baby. Go get the ball. Decided to take the children out to be in nature so that we can just breathe in some of this fresh air and just be surrounded by all these tree spirits. Look at all these tree spirits. I give thanks to all the ancestors for surrounding us and just allowing us time. Look at that big old squirrel over there. I just give thanks for allowing us to just have the opportunity to be in nature. That's a big old field, a great field for the children to just sit around and play and enjoy themselves.
Whoa, you want this? You want this coyote?
No, it's an acorn, baby.
You want the acorn? Go. Gotta catch a butterfly.
Out here chilling with the earth spirits. Out here chilling with the tree spirits. Man, I feel so good. I do. I feel great. Thank you, tree spirits. This tree is very, very tempting for me to get up in there like I used to do as a child. I used to love climbing trees. I don't know if I'm going to attempt it or not. I might just attempt it. Just being out here in nature, just being outside in nature, like,
I'll climb up trees.
I don't even think words can express the positive feelings I'm feeling right now. Hey, big girl. I don't even think words can express how I'm feeling right now. Like, I was happy before, but it's like I'm on a spiritual high now. I'm happy. Like that song go, if you're happy, you know what, clap your hands. That's how I feel right now. The children, we all happy. We all just enjoying ourselves and having a good time. I'm telling y'all, the tree spirits, our ancestors, the tree spirits, our ancestors, they definitely can help you with anything that you may be going through.
You can't come to this park ever again.
Yes, I can come here, Jordan. It's a free park.
Look. It's a free. Know me.
Man, look at that natural glow, though. I ain't even spoke on that. Man, say. Thank you, Amin Ra, for kissing my skin. Shout out to the sun god, Amin Ra. Go see what y'all can find.
I'm your jacket right there. Yeah, where's your jacket?
Peace, family. About to go live with a good friend talking about self-love in about 8 minutes. So go ahead and meet me over at my Instagram if you want to learn more about self-love. Peace.